Yeah?
Ahí está.
Hey YouTube, what's up guys? So again, I'm here with my own mixture, which is pretty healthy. This is from Germany. My brother went on a trip and, well, he got me one. Oh no. Anyways, so what I have is some seeds. That's my mom behind the phone.
No, pues sí.
The camera lady for right now. My tia's on the phone too.
Todo
If
está.
you hear her.
Está frío, está frío, está frío.
He's talking with my mom, but anyways, so they're online. Oh no, I'm getting weak. Alright guys, so I'm gonna stir these up. That way I can get a good mixture. This is in-house reserve, and that's laying feed so that they lay more. I probably should have really start buying the crumbles. But I got what I got. Alright, I'm almost there. Gotta be swift about this and get going.
Oh, sí.
7 different seeds plus the Layena is a fine addition. They are laying constantly, so that's a good thing.
Anoche cenó, se acabó de cenar.
Better egg production. It would be a great addition if it was crumbles. Either way, they're laying. So that's a good thing.
Oh, sí.
I am almost, hopefully, I am almost there. I'm gonna go on vacation pretty soon. If things goes according to plan. So, I'll be out for a couple weeks. But not yet.
Oh, sí.
I still have
Ahí se oye.
8 months to go for my vacation. Where I can start making plans. But it's almost getting there to that point. Oh yeah, I had a couple friends yesterday say that they knew me, but I don't remember nobody. It's not my fault. I just haven't really been around.
Oscar. Ya, esa agárrala y métela allá abajo de la casita.
No, porque ¿dónde voy a poner esto?
Ay, revuelve esa allí.
Alright, so I got some ideas going.
¿Y para qué la vas a vaciar? ¿Para qué la vas a vaciar ahí?
A ver si cabe toda.
Pero esa es la barrita de los gatos, de la comida de los gatos. ¿Para qué la sacas de ahí de la bolsa? Si te va a hacer más
Yo pensaba que me iba a prestar la de los gatos.
No, en esa bolsa está mejor la comida porque ahí no se te moja.
Oh, ok.
Es lo que te estoy diciendo, ¿para qué la vacías?
Ok. Mire.
Sí, Oscar, ¿para qué la vacías? Es lo que yo
Ok.
te pregunto, ¿para qué la vacías?
Alright.
Ah, pero si serás, vaya. Tírala, ahora tírala. Tírala, güey, tírala. ¿Eh?
Alright, guys. So what do you
la
think
casa
of my
por qué.
layana? What do you think of my feed? The way I mixed it and stuff.
Para que no
Right
entre que
idea or
la hiela.
not?
Ándale, ya. Vámonos. ¿Eso por qué?
Anyways, so that's the feed. Instead of 7 seeds now, it's got also layena in it. 1 more month, really maybe up until March, but now that I look at it, but yeah. And then go back to regular feed, blue bonnet, and layena. Probably layena. Yeah, guys. This is my feed. Hey, you guys like my shirt? If you don't, thank you either way for being here. Here we go. Better view. Much better view. Bye, guys. Thank you for being here. May God bless you.